So this is the session number 17 for 6th semester BBA Techniques for Business Decisions. Second session topic is calculation of probable values of x and y based on regressions equations. Regression analysis. In this session, we can solve the problem or estimate the values of probable values of x and y based on regressions equations. X on y and y on x. This session help the student to be familiar with the term regression. The students will know about the regressions equations, that means x on y and y on x. This session helps the student to understand the coefficient regression. The session outcome at the end of this session, students should be able to understand the concept of regressions equations, that is x on y and y on x equations. Students should also be able to express their opinion regarding the coefficient of regression and the probable values of x or y on x. So we can previous session we can already solve the 4 problems in this session. So problem number 5. So I can same type of problem. The following data is about the sales and advertisement expenditure of an organization. Estimate the likely sales for a proportion of advertisement expenditure rupees 10 lakh and what should be the advertisement budget if the company wants to attain a sales target of rupees 60 lakh. Use the regression lines or regressions equations. In this problem, x represents sales and y represent advertisement. Sales of arithmetic mean 40, that means x series is represent sales and y represent advertisement. Arithmetic mean of sales is 40, arithmetic mean of y, that means advertisement is 6. The standard deviation of sales is 10, the standard deviation of advertisement is represent 1.5. The correlation between the sales and advertisement is plus 0.90. The values has to be substituted to the two regressions equations to obtain the probable values of x when y is given to the probable values of y when x is given. That means x value on y and y value on x. So substituting the values to the equations x on y, the equation is x minus x bar is equal to correlation into standard deviation of x divided by standard deviation of y minus y bar. X minus 40 is equal to, the value is already given, so correlation is 0.90 into standard deviation of x is 10, the standard deviation of y is 1.5, y minus 6, that means the y mean is 6. X minus 40 is equal to 9 divided by 1.5, y minus 6. X minus 40 is equal to 6, y minus 6. X minus 40 is equal to 6y minus 6 into 6. X is equal to 6y minus 36 plus 40. The regressions equations x on y, x is equal to 6y plus 4. When y is equal to 10 lakh, that means the advertisement is 10 lakh. The probable value of x, that means sales, should be find out with the help of regressions equation. X is equal to 6y plus 4, x is equal to 6, the value is given in the problem 10 lakh plus 4, x is equal to 60 plus 4, so 64, that means so figures are given in lakhs, therefore 64 lakhs sales prediction. Likewise, substituting the values to the equations y on x, y minus y bar is equal to correlation into standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x, x minus x bar. Putting the values, y minus 6 is equal to 0.90 into 1.5 divided by 10, x minus 40, y minus 6 is equal to 1.35 divided by 10, x minus 40. Y minus 6 is equal to 0.135 x minus 40. Y minus 6 is equal to 0.135 x minus 0.135 40. Y is equal to 0.135 x minus 5.4 plus 6. The regression equations finally, y is equal to 0.135 x plus 0.6. When x is equal to 60 lakh, the probable value of y is advertisement expenditure should be find out with the help of regressions equation y on x. Y is equal to 0.135 x plus 0.6. Y is equal to 0.135 into 60 plus 0.6. Y is equal to 8.10 plus 0.6. Y is equal to 8.70. That means the figures are given in lakh. Therefore, so rupees 8,70,000. That means whenever x is the sales is 60 lakh, the probable expenditure of advertisement is 8,70,000. Likewise, we can solve another problem. Problem number 6. Find out the age of wife when the husband age is 33 years by using the regression line. The average age of husband is 25 years. Average age of wife is 22 years. Standard deviation of the age of husband is 4 years. The standard deviation of age of wife is 5 years. Here average age of husband is represented as X series and the average age of Y series is represented as a Y series. The standard deviation of age of wife is 5 years. Correlation between the age of husband and age of wife is 0.80. Let the age of husband is X and the age of wife is represented as Y. We have to find out the age of wife when the age of husband is 30 years. In such a case, y has to be found based on the value of x. Therefore, the regressions equations y on x has to be applied. So, substituting the values to the equations y on x, y minus y bar is equal to correlation into standard deviation of x and standard deviation of x, x minus x bar. Y minus 22 is equal to 0.80 into 5 divided by 4, x minus 25. Y minus 22 is equal to, so 4 divided by 4, x minus 25. Y minus 22 is equal to 1x minus 25. Y minus 22 is equal to 1x minus 1 into 25. Y is equal to 1x minus 25 plus 22. Y is equal to x minus 3. This is the regressions equations on y on x should be used. When the husband age is 33 years, the value of wife, the wife is represented as age of wife will be using the regressions equation y on x, y is equal to x minus 3. Therefore, y is equal to 33 minus 3. The final y is equal to 33 years. That means the age of husband is 33 years. The age of wife is 33 years. Likewise, you can solve the problem number 7. From the following information, find out the two regressions coefficient. Standard deviation of x is 3. Standard deviation of y is 6. Coefficient of correlation 0.8. In this type of problem, it is a different type of problem. In this type of problem, we should first find out that the regression coefficient are bxy for x on y and byx for y on x equations. Based on this, the below formula has to be used and calculated as follows. X on y, so x on y is nothing but bxy, that should be discussed in the session number 2, is equal to correlation into standard deviation of x divided by standard deviation of y. bxy is equal to 0.80 into 3 divided by 6. bxy is equal to 0.80 into 0.5. bxy is equal to 0.40. Likewise, y on x byx is equal to correlation of standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x. bxy is equal to 0.80 divided into 6 divided by 3. bxy is equal to 0.80 into 2. bxy is equal to 1.6. So problem number 8. From the following information, find out the standard deviation of y series and also find out the value of regression coefficient of y on x. Standard deviation of x is equal to 15. Regression coefficient of x on y is equal to 1.2. Correlation coefficient is 0.8. From the above given details, it is clear that the first we have to calculate the value of standard deviation of y series based on regression coefficient x on y. Then the y on x coefficient has to be found out by substituting the given values. So x on y, vxy is equal to correlation standard deviation x, standard deviation of y. 1.2 is equal to 0.80 into 15 divided by standard deviation of y. 1.2 is equal to 1.2 is equal to 12 divided by standard deviation of y. Standard deviation of y into 1.2 is equal to 12. Standard deviation of y is equal to 12 divided by 1.2. The final is standard deviation of y 10. Likewise, y on x, by substituting the given values and standard deviation of y is equal to 10 into the below formula, byx is equal to correlation standard deviation y divided by standard deviation of x. bxy is equal to 0.80, 10 divided by 15. bxy is equal to 8 divided by 15. The final is bxy 0.53. Okay, thank you.